channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to use SF symbol in the Figma. So guys, if you want to use the SF symbol in the Figma, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, you simply open your Figma and open your project. After that guys, here you see the option of action button. So you simply click here and simply search SF symbol. Okay, if you are not getting your SF symbol here, so guys, you select the option of plugin and widgets. Okay, now guys, here you see the first option is called SF single, around 22.1k users and around 2223 hearts and likes. Okay, so now you simply click on it. Now guys, you click the option of run. So it will take few seconds to load your all the SFs, and you go for add, and you, if you want to get export, so you also get exports. Okay, so this is the way that guys you can do